Hey, what's up YouTube family? It's Yemi here again from SwingTradeFX. And today's video is different because I want to show you a very simple support and resistance strategies that's helped me win a lot of trades in my trading career. And this video is very important because a lot of traders actually equate complication to profitability. So they think the more complex my strategies can be, the more effective it should be. But I'm telling you that reverse is the case because you don't need a complex strategy to make money. In fact, the simpler your strategy gets, the high chances of profitability. And this same strategies is what I've applied in past trades that you can see on your screen right now. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because when something happens once, it can be tagged the luck. When it happens twice, maybe, but when it starts to happen 3, 4, 5, 6 times following the same pattern, you should know that there's a principle behind it. So this is the first trade on your screen. Look at the outcome. This is the second trade. See the beautiful outcome. Look at the third trade, smash TP. The fourth trade, smash TP. Fifth trade, smash TP. The sixth trade, smash TP. Seventh trade, smash TP. I had to do it 7 times so that you can recognize that this is not a gamble. This is not a luck. This is a system. And that same system is what I want to teach you right now. So I want you to watch this video to the very end so that you can take all the knowledge I'm sharing in this video to better your own trading. So let's get right into it. So I'm just going to pick it right here and say there's a direct correlation in trading between simplicity and profitability. Unfortunately, like I said before, a lot of traders believe that the more complex, the more technical their trading is, the better their chances of profitability. This system I'm going to show you in the GV right now is built on a very simple and easy concept that you probably know about, but you've not been able to put together to achieve maximum result in your trading. So guys, this is what the concept of this strategy I want to teach you looks like. So we're going to first dissect what it looks like, and then I'm going to tell you the conditions that must be met for you to effectively be able to use the strategy. And because you see the pattern and you know the pattern doesn't mean you are able to effectively use it. So when you look at this pattern, it's built on 3 different concepts. Okay, obviously you can see that the market was trending on higher highs and higher lows. So this tells us that for you to be able to use this strategy effectively, you must be able to have a knowledge of trend. And it's really not a big deal. You can literally understand trend by looking at the chart, right? You can see where the market is going. So you must effectively be able to identify where the market is going. Now, the second concept here is obviously the support or resistance, right? As you can see, the previous area of resistance turned support right here. And the third thing which forms part of the concept of this strategy is chart structure execution. What do I mean? Your ability to be able to use chart structure to find your trade entry. And if you are trying to understand this, you can go back into my video that's linked in the description right now to understand the difference between how to use chart structure or candlestick entry. Personally, I prefer using chart structure confirmation as my main source of execution in the market. So what are the conditions, more like the checklist, that must be met for this strategy to be effectively put to use and for us to be able to maximize profitability on it? And they're very simple. We only need 3 things, talking about the simplicity of the strategy you're about to learn. The first one is we must be able to identify the trend. As you all know, this concept is built around a trending market, ability to find a market that is trending, or either to the upside or to the downside, and being able to capitalize on it. And the second one is your ability to identify previous significant level, either support or resistance, where the market has broken in the past. So in this case, we have this level right here, we have the break right here, and you can see that the market went as much as to the higher high. And the third one is what? Understand chart structure entry. So when the market got to the higher high, you can see the market starts to move in lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower high, lower lows and lower high, until we finally found that break right here. And we waited for a discount. So for the ones that do not understand what we do here already, if you've been following me, or perhaps you're in my private Telegram channel, which if you're not in it, you can click on the link in the description below to join my free private Telegram channel, where I drop weekly updates on some trades I'm looking at. And perhaps you belong to the quadrant of traders that have been struggling in the market to actually become profitable, and you know deep down right there that you need coaching, mentorship for you to be profitable. You don't have to waste time again. Here, we do not bluff, we do not show lifestyle. We go straight into what works and we help people become financially free through trading. So you can go into SwingTradeFX and you could either join our conclave, as you can see, so you can have access to where I trade live every day and I do active mentorship right there. So I show you the process behind the trade and I take the trade and they all take it with me. So there's no better way you can learn than watching what you're learning in real time actually work. And if you're looking for the private one-on-one mentorship, which is our premium product, you can go into the VIP access, fill out the form, and if you qualify for each, we are going to reach out to you. We want people who are serious here because we're training a generation of serious traders. No bluff, no hype, just getting to the chart and doing the work and getting the result. Back to the chart. So like I said, the third checklist we need here is our ability to be able to use chart structure to find trade entry. This is one of my most reliable confirmation tool in the market. I use chart structure shift to find trade opportunity in the market. So the whole concept of this is very simple. When the market gets to this, our point of interest, which is a previous significant level where the market had broken, it becomes our point of interest. We just want to see a change of structure in here. We want to get a discount to at least the 61.8 level using the Fibonacci, and we want to find our entry immediately. And what do? We want to put our stop loss right here below the low. I want to put our take profit to the next significant high. Some people will take their profit right here. Some people will look for even highs that are way higher and they'll put it in there. And the good thing about this strategy is that it offers you opportunity to take massive trades out of the market, massive risk reward ratio. If you are in with SwingTradeFX, or you're in my private channel, or you're in my public community on Telegram, which the link is in the description, you're going to realize that most of the plays that we go for are big plays, right? We look for trades that has a high guarantee of risk reward. We don't just want to take a trade to take a trade. We want to make sure that this trade is worth every single time we invested into it. So you're going to find us taking 1:5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sometimes 11, 13. And this is what the strategy you're seeing right here can do for you. So what we're going to do right now is to take this concept now on the chart and go back test it and see exactly how it works. Remember what I said in the beginning of this video. If it happens once, maybe it's a lock. If it happens twice, maybe it's still a lock. But when it starts to happen 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 100 and 200 times, it is no longer luck, but there's a principle underlying that. And that is the principle I'm showing you right now. This is a very simple concept. All you have to do is to master it effectively. Go to the chart and go wait for this opportunity to present itself. 80 to 90% of the time, you're going to find yourself in incredible profit with high risk reward guarantee. So let's go into the market and find some past here where the market has offered us this pattern, and let's see how it literally played out accurately. So for the first example, I'm just going to be using this trade scenario, which is a trade I placed in the past. And if you can go back to my YouTube videos, you're probably going to see this trade. I want to use that as my first example because that was literally what I used in getting this trade. And I want you to bear in mind that we have 3 checklists. Number 1, our ability to work with a trend to identify where the market is going. Number 2, our ability to find those specific area of interest, which are significant resistance or support that the market has broken in the past. And number 3 is our ability to read structure and find chart structure execution opportunities. So I'm going to start this on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what can I see? It's very simple. I can see that the market was rejecting at this level. However, one thing I know for sure is that the market has been on an uptrend. So it's very, very important for me to see. So my goal is for me to be able to identify the last higher highs and the last higher lows, right? Remember the proof of concept. We have the market moving on higher highs and higher lows. Remember that? So that is what we've been able to identify right here. So I know for sure that the market is going up, but I want to be able to look through to the left as well and go to prehistorical data and see where the market might be going to next. So the current market price is somewhere around this point. I want to play it very safe, and I just want to target this level as the next level where the market might be going to. So that might surface for my possible point of exit, right? So I want to be able to identify that point out, and I want to also be able to identify the last higher low out. Now, there's something very interesting that I'm seeing now from a daily time frame perspective. and I can see that the market was rejecting previous resistance right here, broke it right here. So I wanted to see what is going to happen. Now I'm interested because checklist number 1 is done. I know that the market is going up to the upside. The market is on a bullish trend. Now I saw a significant point of interest where the market has rejected in the past, which is this level. So that means that if I can find my chart structure confirmation right here, I'm going to be buying up to this level and up to this level, and I'm going to be taking my profit. It's very simple and pretty straightforward. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play this and see some more candlestick load into the market. So now this is where you want to be very, very careful. You want to be very, very patient. Remember, this strategy is simple, but it relies on your ability to be very patient. So what did I see right here? It's very, very important right now. So I'm able to have all the zone as my point of interest. So what do I see here? It's very, very simple. I have this previous resistance that the market has made. So I want to go back to my 1 hour time frame, because that's the time frame that I want to take this trade. Or you can even go back to even lower time frame, like 30 minutes and 15 minutes. Okay, so we're going to play right now. My goal is to find the break of this level. So let's see if the market is able to break this level effectively. So we see momentum come in right at this level. So let's wait for the break. Good. So now we have the break right here. Remember, I don't want to enter into the market right now after the break. Why? Because my risk reward might be affected, right? So I'm waiting for that discount to happen. I want to see the discount happen. And if you really find it hard to understand the discount, you should sign up to our mentorship via the link in the description, and you can see me do it in real time, and you can have access to this knowledge and how to wait for a discount. So let's play it and let's see what else the market is doing. So I want to see some rejection in at this level. Now I start to see those rejection coming into the market. Now I'm just gonna wait. Always be patient. So what do I see right here? I see that the market is making a low, and this is the point where I want to pull out my Fibonacci. That means if the market ever comes back to this point again, then I have a trade with my stop loss right below this level, my TP1 right here at 3.76 and my TP2 right here at 1:6. So let's see how that is going to play out. Let's fast forward it and let's see what the market does. So remember, you have to be very patient. Now our entry has triggered, and now I'm looking for an opportunity in the market for the market to keep pushing. Remember, I'm already on this trade, and this is how you're going to find this trade move and move and move. So let's wait. Now TP1 is hit. Let's see what the market does to the TP2. Beautiful and perfect. Do you see the concept right there literally played out? And this is how it's done. So let me give you another example just to affirm that this concept is very, very interesting and is very straightforward. Remember, we have to work with 3 checklists. I've given you what the pattern looks like, and what we have to do is just come and wait for the market to offer us these patterns, and we can trade it. So another perfect example is this one that you can see right here. And by the way, this was a trade that I took in the past. If you're not on my free Telegram channel, you can click the link in the description. Every now and then I drop free trades on my Telegram group. So first of all, I want to look at the trend. That's the first thing. The market, as I can see, obviously is bullish. Where's the market going to? You go to your prehistorical information and have an idea that, okay, the market might be coming to this level right here. And now that the market is on a bullish trend, as you can see, you want to identify, where's the higher low at. And now I have an idea of where the market is giving me a higher low. And then I want to see the significant break where the market has broken in the past. And then I want to go back into the 4 hours time frame. So now I have the pattern already in place. The 2 things I'm waiting for right now, or perhaps the only thing I'm waiting for right now, is for the market to give me a chart structure move to the downside so that I can identify my chart structure for the sake of execution. So let's see what the market is going to do by us waiting on the 1 hour time frame. And this trade, like I said, this kind of pattern, like I said, requires a lot of patience. So I'm just going to play this and wait for the market and see if the market will come back to that level. You need a lot of patience. Now the market is coming back into that same zone again. So now this is beginning to make sense. As you can see, the market is now talking to that zone. Again, you have to treat that level as a zone. It's not a pinpoint area. So you want to see how the market moves. So let's wait and see what the market does right here. Remember, now that the market is right on this level, this is my most significant lower high right now that the market is touching the level with. So if the market makes any new low, I'm going to identify that. What do I mean? That means if the market continues going back down and make any new low, and my goal is just to keep identifying the last significant lower high of the retracement structure, because now I can see that this is a retracement because the market has now broken this resistance coming back to the zone of support. So it makes sense to me, and I want to keep that level as a zone, right? So I'm just going to keep trailing the lower highs out of the market. So let's see what happens right here. Oh, we have the break. Now look at that. We have the break of structure of the market. So what is the next thing I want to do? I want to identify my Fibonacci. So to us, this is already an entry point where we want to get into the market. So you want to have a stop loss right below the last low. Never miss that details, right below the last low. So where am I looking forward to take my profit? I want to look at the next high. That is one of the safest points for me to get out of the market. But because I'm looking at the bigger picture on the daily time frame, I could see that the market is still headed towards this next high, which is the reason why I'm looking at that level, because I want to be able to maximize this trade. So let's look at what the market would do. We've executed this trade, this level for TP1, this level for TP2, and it looks like 1:14 to us. Again, always put your stop loss right here behind the significant low, right? So now let's see what the markets will do. So I'm just going to fast forward this so that the market can play out. So let's go. Look at what the market did right there. You can see the reason why it's very good to put your stop loss behind the last low. Let me take off the Fibonacci so that we can have more good look at it. So you can see how the market retested that same level of Fibonacci again, never came below this level, and the market started to move. So let's see how far the market can go with this. Do we hit our TP1 already? Yes. Is the market going to move to TP2? Let's wait and see. We're probably going to find out. The market is testing that resistance again. Finally, it broke above it. Let's see. Yep, the market hit your take profit. And this strategy is very simple, straightforward. You can find them all over the chart over and over and over. So let's take a recap at this concept again and let's see what it looks like. So in summary, this is a strategy that rests on your ability to embrace simplicity in the market. It's very simple. The checklists are very few, just 3 checklists. Find the direction of the trend. Find a significant area in the past where the market has broken either a high or a low, either a support or a previous resistance. Wait for the market to run back into it. Wait for a change of structure. Wait for a discount and target the next high. And it is super simple. So if you enjoyed this video and this concept I teach, I want you to like, share and subscribe, and I want you to turn on your notification, because you're going to get a lot of this kind of video from me. And if you still find yourself struggling with simplicity and profitability in the market, you can visit our website at www.SwingTradeFXacademy.com and register either to join my conclave, which is my private group where I trade live and I do a lot of active mentorship. So you see what we're doing and you see me apply it in real time and you see me make money with it, and you're making money with it as well. But most importantly, we do not want people who are dependent. Our goal is to train independent traders and make sure that you have an understanding of the market that you can trade for yourself. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and I will see you in my free Telegram community with the link in the description. God bless you.